In this lesson, you will explore irregular verbs and their past participle forms. These include verbs like take, give, and write. Understanding these forms helps build sentences in perfect tenses, such as have taken or have given. Listen carefully and repeat the examples to get comfortable with pronunciation and meaning. Let's look at 3 common irregular verbs. The first one is take, took, taken. The second is give, gave, given. And the third is write, wrote, written. Notice how the past participle forms end with en, like taken, given, and written. These forms are important when you build sentences with have, has, or had. Now let's see how we use these verbs in real sentences. I have taken the test already. She has taken a photo of the view. He has given me a great idea. They have given their best effort. She has written 5 books. We have written to our teacher. Each sentence uses have or has plus the past participle form of the verb. Now observe how base forms change into past participles. I take my medicine every day becomes I have taken my medicine already. He gives his time to charity becomes he has given his time selflessly. She writes a letter to her friend becomes she has written a heartfelt message. These examples show how past participles describe completed actions connected to the present. The same past participle form is used in both present perfect and past perfect tenses. For example, I have taken the book, but I had taken the test before lunch. She has given a presentation, but he had given his answer earlier. They have written many stories, but we had written our notes already. The difference lies in the helping verb, have or had, while the participle form stays the same. Here is a comparison of the 3 main verb forms: the base form, the past form, and the past participle. For example, take, took, taken, give, gave, given, write, wrote, written. These patterns help you see how each verb changes form. The past participle is most often used after have, has, or had to show completed actions. Now it is your turn. Complete the sentences with the correct past participles. I have blank my bag somewhere. She has blank me a wonderful gift. They have blank the final essay. We had blank the wrong direction. He has blank an inspiring song. Use the correct forms, taken, given, and written, to fill in the blanks. Let's review what you learned about past participles. Many irregular verbs end with en, though not all do. The past participle form stays the same in both present perfect and past perfect tenses. Knowing these forms helps you speak and write correctly. Keep practicing by making sentences like, I have written a letter, and she has taken her seat. Practice regularly to remember these forms well.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.